Get trade finance assistance from Bronze Wing Trading. In recent times, import and export industry is seeing a massive growth as the demand of goods and services are ever increasing. After seeing this drastic improvement in trade market, more and more entrepreneurs are venturing into this area to earn more profits. But the main hurdle they face in international trade transaction is arranging trade finance. For traders, it would be really difficult to arrange hard cash to conclude their million-dollar worth deals. As well, their access to trade finance from banks is also limited. As a result, they tend to lose more trade deals. Don't be the one among them. Get started from now on to plan your trade finance requirements with experienced trade finance providers like Bronze Wing Trading. We have years of experience in helping SMEs to conclude multiple deals at a time without facing cash flow issues. We can support your trade deal by providing letter of credit, standby letter of credit, all types of bank guarantee. Discuss with us now to get your deal structured from our experts. Get in touch with us. Email us support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us 97145519699. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487661. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.